nandito na tayo. This is it. Ang pinakahihintay natin. Ang pangarap nating dalawa. Pangako ko sa'yo, aalagaan at pagsisilbihan kita at ang ating magiging mga anak.
Mahal ko, ito na. Gusto ko sanang malaman mo na mahal kita. Mahal kita dahil binago mo ang buhay ko. Ikaw ang nagbibigay sa akin ng inspirasyon. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya, nagpapaluha at nagbibigay ng ngiti sa akin.
These are the moments I know heaven must exist. And these are the moments I know all I need is this. I have all I'm waiting for, and I could not ask for more. I could not ask for more than this time together. Could not ask for more than this time with you.
Marriage, especially on your part, of the man and the woman, you need to see the beauty of your individuality, that you turn to be an inspiration for your husband, for your wife.
Excited na ako sa magiging buhay nating dalawa. I'm so excited to see what God has in store for us. Na kahit anong pagsubok, basta't kasama kita, basta't nandyan ka, at basta't kapi tayo, alam kong kaya natin lahat.
These are the moments I remember all my life. I've got all I'm waiting for, and I could not ask for more. I could not ask for more than this time together. Could not ask for more than this time with you. And every prayer has been answered, and every dream I have come true. Yeah, right here in this moment is right where I'm meant to be. Here with you, here with me. Could not ask for more than the love you give me, 'cause it's all I'm waiting for. And I could
Listen, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Oh my. Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
Anong nagustuhan mo sa lalaking ito?
Mabait siya, Father. Gwapo.